Hello everyone, this is Prathamesh and you're watching Formal Value. In this video, today we are discussing about how you can start your freelancing journey as a web developer. So, you have recently learned some new skills related to the web development. Maybe it is HTML, CSS, JavaScript. Maybe it is creating some static and dynamic website using front-end and back-end development. And now you are thinking that you have to earn some money and experience from these skills in your college time. So this video is only for you. So there is a two-way you can do this. You can do internships also and you can do freelancing also. So today we are talking about freelancing. So let's get started. So today we are discussing about 5 ways to get your first client as a web developer in 2022. So the first one is presentation. As I'm always tell you, create a professional portfolio website. Because having a professional portfolio website is create an impact on your client's mind that how much are you serious to about your work. So having a professional portfolio website is must. And there is some important things you have to put in your portfolio website. That is your skill set, your previous work, and the most important, your past recent experience. Because client judge you only on your past experience level and your knowledge. Remember one more thing, please do not put your educational year certificates on your portfolio website because client does not give you any project by seeing any educational year certificates on your portfolio website. Because he will be look out only on your experiences in the field of web development. And putting your educational year certificates on your professional portfolio website in the year of 2022, it sounds like funny, right? So please don't do that. And here is all about how you can present your skill set on your client's mind. So after presentation, you need a best platform to start freelancing, right? So there is a tons of websites are available on the internet. There is a Fiverr also, Upwork also, Freelancing also, and much more. You just need to visit their website and to sign up over there. And after creating a great profile, you will start getting a projects. So as you hear, it sounds like easy, right? But believe me, it is the hardest way you can get your first client. Because all of these websites are overcrowded. Behind one project, there is 100+ people present over there. So there is a lots of competition. You will be also get project, but you need an extreme level of patience. Because when you complete your 100+ projects with the excellent rating from your clients, then you will start getting a projects. And you will charge that much amount also. So here is one solution for this problem, which is networking. It is easy and I am personally believe on this method to grow as a web developer in freelancing. In this method, you have to build up your personal brand on social media platform. And for that, you will start with Facebook, Twitter, Instagram and other social media platform. You have to create a professional and impactful profile that will get attention from the startups, entrepreneurs, agency and every that person who want to scale up their business online and want a website for their business. By anyhow create a presence and image on all of the social media platform and especially on LinkedIn because LinkedIn is the best way to start networking. And for self networking, you have to follow some special groups, targeted audience and freshly born startups. Make a contact with them by sending cold emails and cold calls. Approach them and inform them about your services and skills. So here is one more way to get your first client, which is creating a YouTube channel. This way give you the inbound clients. And for that, you need to create YouTube channel and post content related to your skills, services and business. And because of YouTube channel, you will be connected to the right audience and you will be also monetize them. This amazing platform will help you to get your first client and it will be also help you to network yourself and create some presence on the internet. And for creating some content on YouTube, you need a quality microphone which help you to record your voiceover. And for that, Boya M1 microphone is best for YouTube creators because it is easy to use and handle. This video is also recorded by Boya M1 microphone. So if it is you need, then look out for this one. Link is in the description. So come back to our topic. For getting clients on freelancing website, remember one more thing, you have to optimize your profile as a professional web developer. Because in this website, client gives some rating by its satisfaction level to the freelancer. And because of only this, the next project will be get only that freelancer who will be get best rating from the clients. So if you are a beginner, make sure that your profile is optimized properly to create some interest on your client's mind. After all of this thing, you need to learn how to optimize your skill set and your experience. If it is you're not able to learn how to optimize your skill set, then your freelancing journey will be little tough. So you have to know about monetization. You have to know about how much value are you creating for someone and how much value are you deserve. So set your rate of value for every project and commit yourself that you will be not go below this rate for anyone. Because when you starting bargaining for your skill set, then your client will be start assuming that you are not professional person and your value will be degrade on your client's mind. So remember this thing also. So that's all things are covered in this video. If you think you learned something new from this video, then hit the like button, and in future you will be met with the amazing content and guidance for freelancing in this channel. So for that, do subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon to get first notification on your phone. And if you want to buy new microphone, then look out for also this one, Boya by M1 microphone. Link is in the description box. And if you watched till the end, then comment below down it, hey, I watched till the end, and thank you for watching this video. We will be meet you next time.